Here, this slide, of course, there are many bottlenecks with respect to even monoclonal antibody production, such as production in high volumes or with respect to vaccines. But I just put one slide with respect to bottlenecks in cell and gene therapies, as this is of the niche high demand concept in biologicals production. And what are the general bottlenecks and how the major players within the bioprocessing workflow are developing solutions to address these bottlenecks. For example, viral vector production is always constrained by limited capacity, low yields, or scalability is very challenging with respect to viral vector production. And there is batch to batch variability. And the companies such as PackGene, or even this is an example, but there are other companies as well which are developing AAV production or viral vector production platforms to increase the yields and to have large batch production in less time. Uh, cell expansion is very challenging during CAR therapies, whether autologous, patient-derived autologous cells. So Lonza has come up with an automated CAR processing platform, reducing handling time and increased throughput. Manual open or manual workflows is will increase contamination risk, reduces reproducibility, and companies has have come with a closed automation platforms that reduces contamination and improves process consistency. So these are examples. So the point is, all the companies are uh, providers or technology providers in the bioprocessing workflow. The companies are developing various technologies to solve the current unmet needs or current challenges with respect to cell and gene therapy production or monoclonal antibody production or viral production.